Everyone's chasing stocks, trying to win the race. But the richest investors, they keep it simple and safe. No stress, no guessing, no charts every day, just 3 funds, quietly paving their way. What if I told you, you don't need to be smart to beat most investors and still come out on top? No secrets, no hacks, no risky parade, just a system so simple, it almost feels fake. 1. The problem with most investors. People chase hype. They buy high, sell low, jumping from trend to trend, wherever winds blow. Crypto today, tomorrow it's AI. Next week they panic and don't know why. They think more choices means more control, but too many options just damage the goal. Because real wealth, it's not built in a day. It's built by consistency all the way. 2. What is a 3-fund portfolio? Now here's the secret the wealthy won't shout. It's not about picking, it's about cutting things out. 3 simple funds, that's all that you need to grow your money like planting a seed. Fund number 1, the market at home, owning top companies, the biggest you've known. Tech, banks, and brands that continue to rise. This is your growth engine, your main supply. Fund number 2, the world in your hand, from Europe to Asia, a global expand. Because wealth isn't just where you stay, it grows when your money travels far away. Fund number 3, the calm in the storm. Bonds keep you steady when markets transform. They don't grow fast, but they protect your base, so you don't lose everything in a bad place. 3. How to allocate, the formula. Now here's the question, how much in each? Don't worry, this part is easy to teach. If you're young and bold, let stocks take the lead. If you want safety, bonds fill the need. A simple rule that many obey, your age in bonds is the classic way. Young at 20? Then stocks dominate. At 50 or 60, you start to rotate. 4. Why this strategy works. Because markets go up and markets go down. But over long periods, they always rebound. You're not chasing winners, you own the whole game. So no matter who wins, you still claim fame. You remove emotion, you remove the fear. You stop reacting to headlines you hear. No panic selling, no greedy buys, just patience, the trait that multiplies. 5. The real power, time. But here's where it gets incredibly deep. The real magic happens while you sleep. Compounding works, day after day, turning small deposits into a massive display. Invest $100, then do it again, and again, and again. That's how you win. Not one big bet, not timing the top, just steady investing that never stops. 6. What most people do wrong. They try to beat markets, but lose in the end. Switching strategies again and again. They overcomplicate what should be clean, chasing fast money instead of the dream. So if you remember just one thing today, wealth isn't loud, it grows in a quiet way. 3 simple funds, discipline and time. That's how you build wealth, dollar by dime. No stress, no hype, no chasing the wave, just a simple system, the smartest play. So start today. Don't wait for the perfect cue, because 30 years later, your future depends on you.
Subscribe for more tips, like this glowing gold coin. Get yours by subscribing.